Hello, everyone, and welcome to this episode. So, in today's episode, we are looking at MPLS Core Switch 2. We have it over here. So, all the configuration is done. So, let's do a side to side comparison to see if there's anything to add to our documentation. So, first of all, show VLAN brief. So, let's show VLAN. So, we have the same VLANs configured over here. But then, mind you, there's a need for us to update this because we also have the VLAN for the branch together with the HQ. So don't worry about this. We will get to understand it in detail when we start doing the event-driven Ansible configuration. So let me update my book. That's fine. So I can just go ahead. Okay, so let me just leave it. And now it's time to check on the interfaces. If there's anything to add, show run interface, show run and config. So starting off with interface E00, which is connecting to our MPLS core, it should just be a trunk to accept all VLANs from the PE. And then what else do we have? We have E01, and of course, that one is for management port for management traffic. So it's basically an access port, as you can see over here. And the next one we have is E03. So E03 is an access port, and where is it going to? So let's see E03. So E03 is an access port to the Ford HQ head office. So that makes sense. And then the interface connecting to the Samsung NNI should be on E02. So that's E02. So let me see. There's no configuration on E02, and I suspect that that should be a trunk, I suspect. So let me just cross-reference for something from Core Switch 1. So it's basically going to be a trunk port, right? Because we are passing the VLAN on it. So I will just replace it over here. And I will as well do the configuration on the switch. So I'll put the same thing over here. That's fine. So now let's check. Show running config. And as you can see, we've made it a trunk port because obviously it's connecting to the Samsung NNI, as you can see over here. And that makes sense. And E03. And E03 is in it's an access port for VLAN 400, which happens to be the VLAN for the branch over here. So now we have the VLANs for, sorry, the VLAN 400 supposed to be an access port for the HQ. Sorry about that. And then we are just passing the other VLANs, say 1289, which happens to the VLAN for the branch which connects to this PE. Also on the core 2 side over here. So this will make sense when we start to do the event-driven Ansible. So for now, let's just do the provisioning and understand how to go about it. So thank you for watching this video.